Alrighty-dighty-dighty-do. Blur. Hello. This thing's really pointed low. How's it going? Grizz1y here. We're gonna make some karaage or some Japanese chicken stuff. But first we're gonna start the rice. So start over here because I have a plug-in over here. So, and I'm out of room on this counter. So yeah. So first we gotta pull out our rice cooker. This is the rice cooker, right? Yes. I have to make sure I pull out the rice cooker, not our Instant Pot. Where is our Instant Pot? Oh, it's on the table. Never mind. Apparently this stream we're just going to skip frames the whole time. So, you know, why not, right? Alright, so we got that. Gotta pull this out. Do a quick little wipe out with our hand. Just gonna close that for a second. Whoopsie. Been a little while since we've actually used this. Well, not too long, but a little bit. Probably a couple weeks. We gotta get 2 of these. Pour it in. And then we're gonna rinse it. Ow. Rinse it on through. This just makes it so it's not quite as starchy or something, I don't know. I just know it rinses out. It becomes very opaque. It just makes it cleaner or something. Alright, this is good. We gotta take this up to 2. Because that's how many cups we did. It's not cups, it's the cups that's used for this. So it's a different kind of cup. So don't try and make one of these and substitute with actual cups because it's not the same. I actually should look and see how much it actually is eventually. Probably like a cup and a half is my guess. Okay, cook rice, turn that around because when the steam comes up I don't want it to be all over that, whatever that's called, my countertop thing. Okay, so the edamame. How do I cook you? Stovetop places I amount of frozen edamame into boiling water. Make it boil. Cover simmer. Okay. So we'll at least get the water in a pot. That's what we need. Did not break the lid, so that's nice. Get your hot nice and warm, because then it makes it easier to boil, like it'll boil quicker. And then we'll start working on the chicken. I have had the chicken in the fridge, soaking in like a marinade. And I dripped water all over my foot. Okay, so there's some water. We're just gonna put it over here. We're not gonna start right this minute. We're gonna start it pretty soon though. Alright, so let's turn you guys around. Blurp, 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 blurp. Uh-oh, I'm out of room. I've run out of room. So let's try pushing this back a little bit farther. We do need the plug in for that still. I always forget that we put the plug away. So let's get this plugged in. I think it needs to go up to 2. No, so it'll go up to 360, right? 340. That's a weird number if you ask me. For frying something, but you know, teach their own. That's right. No, it's just fine. I do like how it's just like magnets and how it just clicks in. It makes it really simple. And I'm gonna pull out. Oh, what is that called? This. That'll help a little bit to keep it from sticking. And then let's roll out the chicken. Got a little chicken. So then it says to stir it. Maybe next time I'll try dropping my bit rate just a little bit. I don't know why it skips. Like, I'm connected to the internet just fine. I literally ran a hard wire down here just to make sure I could connect to the internet properly. Alright. So that's all nice and soaked in the marinade for the past hour. And then we need... Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do, so it's a 5 to 7 minute thing. So it needs 2 cups of potato starch. Or not 2 cups, sorry. Half a cup. Oh, Jesus. So that's a 1/4 cup. Half a cup. And it's all over my clothes now. That's lovely. Make a mess every time. I'll have to write somewhere that this is potato starch. That seems like, because I don't have 3. I should not have done cards. I should not have done that much. That is fine. Everything's okay. It will work out. I hope. Come on. Maybe. This does not look right. I think mine was a bit wetter. Alright, we're going to go with it. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. It definitely incorporated more than it's supposed to. It didn't go how it's supposed to. Yeah. This is not going to work. I can tell you that right now. Get off my spoon! I didn't even turn this on. 340. Okay. Alright, so we're going to see how that turns out. Sure. Sure. Alright. Rice is going. That's heating up. It's a thing. I don't know what to think about right now. Or say. Because, dear God, it's going all wrong, I feel like, already. And I just started. And the thing didn't plug in properly, so it wasn't heating up then either. I'm going to put this away, because we don't need this anymore. Here. There's water all over the floor, I don't know why. But it's definitely, it's sticky at least, I guess. Dear God, this is going to stick so badly in the thing. Oh, maybe it'll work. That looks more correct, like on this side. Aha! I know the chicken pieces aren't quite the right size either. The thighs that I got weren't quite the right size either. Stop skipping frames thing! Oh, golly, why does everything go weirdly? All the live long day. I don't know how long that will take to heat up. I want to say we can start the edamame, but it's going to be done way earlier. I could always make it, and then I have a snack. I don't know. I'm going to push that out of the way. You want to see something cool? Bloop. This is a lemon cucumber. So it looks kind of like a lemon on the outside, but if you peel it and you cut the inside, it looks like a cucumber. And it tastes like a cucumber with a little hint of lemon, straight up. And I will say that when you go to pick these, they're prickly. So you will prickle yourself. You have to take a scrubby after and scrub all over to get rid of the prickles. It's so annoying. But it's fine. It only is slightly painful. Working. So yeah, we got this to try and help it stop from sticking. Let's see how this looks. So a couple little spots that can be cleaned out. Luckily this isn't really that hot yet, so I will get these pieces out. Well, it's still kind of heating up a little bit. There we go. That helps. That'll be a little better. There we go. It's going to skip every few minutes. That is my rice cooker. Here, hold on. Bah. I don't know if you guys can see it there. It's steaming. It's starting to steam. Maybe if I bring it closer. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it steaming when I bring it close. Look at that steam! Look at it! Just don't put your finger over it or else you will burn yourself. That's not something you really want to do now, is it? I don't want to burn myself. I've definitely burned myself a couple times soon. Making food, but you know. It's the I don't know what I was going to say. It's like the risk of the food. Ooh. Whoa. If I set this down right now, it's probably going to tip. Let me see. Can it stay standing? Oh, hello. But now it's very uneven. No. Wait, so is this still even again? No, how did it get so uneven? That's weird. Oh, it's because I'm on the plate. I knew that. I actually am going to get some tongs. Okay, hold on. I had to make sure I locked the back door. I thought I forgot. I got some tongs. Oh, I bet I just made a skip doing that. To help pull off that chicken when it's time to pull off that chicken out of the basket. Because we don't want it to stay in there forever. It says 5 to 7 minutes for these, but I don't think it's going to take that long. I would see like 3 to 4 because the size of these. Like, we did full thighs in here for 7 minutes to cook it all the way. Look at how big these things are. They're like tiny. Let's see again. I just know if I do this right. I hope it comes out okay at least. Because that's all I want in this world. I want yummy food, and I want it to come out okay. How much RAM am I using on this? Oh, that's not where I meant to go. I meant to go here. 64%, 67. That shouldn't be too much. I don't know what it wants from me. I don't know what it wants. Let me go Control Delete. You're just gonna listen to me for a minute while I test something out. There are no running apps except for slobs. Alright. And that is not what I want to end. Alright, let's see how hot this actually is real quick. Let's do a quick test. Let's see how close we are. Yes, this is going to mean making more work for Zach because he has to clean. Whoops. I really want to know. We're going to 340 is what our goal is. So we're passing 150. Alright, 340. Yeah. Alright, 180. Looks like we're closing in on 2. We might just be about at 200. We're only like halfway where it needs to be. Okay, just going to try and leave it for now. I should have had this going. So, how's everyone's days going? You know, I worked, and then I did some Devil May Cry stream, which was the most annoying thing in the world. This is the third one of these things that we went against, or that we're going against. And I spent an hour trying to beat it, and Bacon totally hung out with me and chilled with me. Thank goodness she hung out, because dear God, I was so annoyed with that. I was so done with that boss. I still haven't beaten it. I had to be done. We're gonna try again tomorrow, probably. Yay! Well, maybe. It depends on how much time I have. I have a few things to get done tomorrow. If not tomorrow, probably Friday. I forgot what day it was. I forgot how many days I had worked already. Oh crap, I need to feed my cat. BRB, I'm feeding my cat. Doggy! Mommy! 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 All the way up the stairs. You know when I call you, I'm not joking. Really? I swear it's a new adventure every day trying to do this again. Let me just wash my hands and go to the bathroom. Okay, so got that done. Like, he literally made me go all the way up the stairs just to get him, rather than him just coming when I called his name this time, because he just wanted to be a jerk. What a butt face. What a butt. Alright, all we're waiting is for the... to get there. I need to do a quick run upstairs if I'm hearing weird noises. Alright, it's just me hearing weird noises. But at least I remember bringing that down. I cannot explain why I had it upstairs or anything, because just in case Zach watches this, I can't say anything. Oh, God. Got 3 more days of work this week, and then I got another weekend. How many of you guys have a 3-day weekend? I don't. I have a 2-day still. Because my normal day is Monday. My normal day off is Monday anyways. At least I get paid that day, so it's like an extra day of pay, which is nice. I can use extra pay every now and again. Helps pay down the bills. You know, that type of deal. Okay, come on. Gonna check to see what this is at. It's definitely getting hot. I can feel it steaming a bit more now. Okay, it's quickly passing 200. Passing 250. Coming up on 300. It's just about at 300. So it's getting close. It's getting real close. And then we can start making the chicken. And as soon as that turns off, well, you know what? No, I'm going to get the water started right now for this edamame. Let's turn this to high, get it up to boil. I'm going to cut a hole in this. You can actually buy this pre-healed. But we like the whole ones. So I bought the whole ones. Because what you do, you cook them, and you put them in a bowl, put some sea salt over it, and then yum. And you don't eat the skins. You take it and you like take the peas out of the pod. I don't know if or the edamame out of the pod. They're not peas. Peas are something different. So ignore me. And I don't know what I'm talking about. People post weird things on Twitter, straight up. So I have 3 more days of work, and I have 4 bananas. Okay, cool. I have enough bananas. Well, unless Zach takes one, then I might not have enough bananas. Well, if he takes 2, I won't have enough. But if he takes only 1, I'll have enough. I've been doing these new milkshake, they're milkshakes because they have milk in them in the morning for breakfast. Tomorrow is going to be a banana chocolate, so it's got banana, chocolate, spinach, and chia seeds. I think that's what they're called. I just know that they're healthy for you. So I got that. And then the other day I did a strawberry banana one, but I needed to be heavier on the strawberries. I wasn't heavy enough on the strawberries. How long does it have? Oh, that only has 5 minutes left. Dear God. That goes fast. Got a rice thing right here. And we're actually going to do something special with this rice. Oh no, it's almost out. Rice vinegar. It's so good. It fits so well on rice. Like, it's amazing. Okay. This is ready. It's ready to cook my chicken. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure what the best way to do this will be. Probably take out as much as possible. And then just try and scoop about half of this in. Try and break it up as much as I can. Hoping that maybe as it cooks it breaks up a little bit. Try and break it up on the thing. Try not to splatter anything, that'd be good. Okay, this might actually wind up taking 3. I think that's chicken. I can't tell. Okay, and dive into there. Trying to lift everything up real quick with this. Oh, good God. Everything's sticking together. Hey Siri, set a 5-minute timer. Set a 5-minute timer.
Okay, your timer is set for 5 minutes.
That was legit the best that has ever worked. Like, what the heck? That was the best that has ever worked. It has never worked that well. What the hell? Why, Siri? Why must you be nice to me today? Do you know I'm having issues? I guess it knows. Twitter knows everything. I mean, Siri knows everything, not Twitter. Twitter probably knows everything too, but you know. It's a very light sizzle. All of my stuff the past couple days have been a very heavy sizzle, whereas this is very, very light. Anything that's stuck, unstuck. So much of this stuck together though. I think this is okay because the thing is like full of puddle, so we can get it out of here. I guess, okay, no, it actually makes sense that it's still 5 to 7 minutes because it's at a lower temperature. So I guess that makes sense. I wasn't thinking logically for a bit. I just like listening to the sizzles when I do this type of streams. What is a soothing sound to you? Because this definitely is for me. I think what I'll start saving up for next, I know I need a new mic for the stream. I'm starting to think I may need a new laptop too. Because I don't think this laptop can handle the stress that this needs. Which is sad and sucks, but it's true. Oh, that's the rice. How much time do I have on here? 2 minutes. So let's just flip you guys around. Can you see what I'm doing? So I always open this up when it's done and give it a stir. Just make sure it does not burn to the bottom. And then also, perfect time to take this and then pour it over your spoon to kind of disperse it a bit. And I'm just going to use the rest of it because there's like nothing. Then mix it all together and you'll have a nice taste of that rice vinegar throughout. And I'll try not to burn myself because this is quite warm. And I'm going to unplug it so no more heat works through. Okay. Alright, there we go. Just close that, keep it warm. Just waiting for the water to boil there. And bring it back over here to where the real action is. Okay. Not quite boiling yet. Water's almost there, just not quite. Oh yeah, that's gonna be done. Alright. Yeah, it only has 20 seconds left. That looks pretty done to me if you ask me. And then we got a nice paper towel. Oh, come on, get out of there. See, this is why I was trying to break them up as much as I could. Like from the bottom. Yes, I hear you, phone. I already got it. Water over there is boiling, of course. You can hear the water boiling. Okay, stop it. Dear God, so many things. I shall look at chat in just a moment. I'm just putting the edamame in the water. I did not make a big enough hole for the edamame. Yes, I did. It's fine. Come on. Pour in the water, edamame. There we go. Now it's got to come back up to a boil. And that will get tied up. Hey, Penguin. It's the Japanese fried chicken. Karaage is what it's called. I think it's... They make it with potato starch rather than, like, with what we use. Okay. Next batch. I've never tried it. I'm guessing it probably will be. It looks pretty good. Also, it's a form of fried chicken, so when isn't fried chicken yummy? Hold on. I will warn you right now, there's a lot of lag tonight. I don't know why. A lot of skipped frames. It's being kind of weird. Okay, I think that's all the chicken bites that were in here. I think. don't see anymore. Okay. I think that's all the chicken. Alright. Where's that? I need to kind of stir around for it real quick. Don't get stuck to that. Don't get stuck to anything, preferably. Stop getting stuck to each other. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm just gonna let it go. Set a 5-minute timer.
Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
Okay, so that's going. I'm gonna check one of these that are already done. I want to find a thick piece. Pretty sure one of these will be fine. I'm pretty sure it's cooked all the way through. But you know, always gotta double check. Because this is what we got right now. Whoop. Yeah, as soon as I did that, it's good traps. Okay. So, let's see. This seems like a pretty good chicken size. That looks like a bunch of chicken fat. Maybe. But it looks like it's cooked. I'll grab this one and check it. Hot. Very hot. How was the rest of your day? Yeah, so it's cooked all the way through. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's definitely not exactly fried chicken. That definitely has more of a Japanese flavor to it. Alright, Edamame, stop it. Shut up, Edamame. Okay. This is supposed to simmer. That's right. 5500 start. There we go. A lot of noises everywhere. Okay, fine. You stay off of there until you can calm down. Oh dear God. It tastes pretty good. Trying to think what flavor it is that I taste the most. Pretty sure that's the ginger. It's either the ginger or the mirin. It might be the mirin. Tastes pretty good. I think next time I'll use a little less mirin, a little less ginger. Just because I don't like that much. How much time do we have on our timer? 2 minutes. Better go quick or else I am gonna eat all this. Definitely didn't need to soak as long as it said. Well, an hour was plenty, so it was probably good that I soaked. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the mirin. And yeah, definitely ginger as well. A little bit less next time. A little less. But other than that, it's pretty good. I should have saved the skins and fried them. I don't know why I didn't. I've done this twice now where I wanted to just fry the skins on their own and I forgot. So that's only slightly annoying. Only slightly. Okay, so that's just about done. That's 49 seconds. That has a couple minutes. Let's see if I can put on the heat again without it breaking itself. Okay. Oh, I should probably actually put the frozen one away. See, this is how we get our bags. Nice frozen edamame bags. Hopefully I made enough. I'll make sure I leave enough for Zach. If not, you can always make more. Alright, probably just about time to pull it out. Yeah, 10 seconds. Oh yeah, that's enough. Yes, yes, you can stop now. Every single thing stuck together. Dear God. This is starting to get loose, it feels like. Bloop, 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 bloop. Poke through. Not poke through the chicken, poke it out of the thingy. Really? Oh, that one almost came off. Come on, come on. You're almost there. Come on. There you go. There you go. I know you want to. Oh, it's literally hanging there by a thread right now. There we go. There's one. Two. Three. And 4. They're going to really need to clean that today. Dang it. That's the one issue we always have is it sticks. I don't know how to make it so it doesn't do that type of stuff. Really, Edamame, chill down. Oh yeah, that's all nice and cooked. Alright. There's the chicken. The karaage. This up real quick. So there's that. Let me get myself a little plate. Choose a couple of pieces for me. Make sure to leave enough for Zach. And probably one more piece for me and then the rest for Zach. There you go. That's about even-ish. A little less on mine because I've been snacking on them, obviously, so there's that. Now over there, we'll grab a little rice. Put on the plate. And of course you can choose what you want to put on the rice, really. I'll probably put like balsamic or a little soy sauce or something. Probably put a little soy sauce to have with the karaage. Alright, and then this just needs to be drained and put into a bowl. Hot. So really we'll want 2 bowls for this. Because one will take our skins. Not sure how good this will be once Zach gets home, but I can always make more if it's not tasty. I don't even know if these are all the way cooked through. I really hope so. Oh, I need to grab the salt for it. Alright, so all you gotta do, take some salt, sprinkle it. Sprinkle it all over. And for the most part, it should stick. Hopefully. Hopefully. Alright. There's my face. Let me grab a little water. It's only 8:30, you know. I made a smoothie for tomorrow. It looks so dark. Oh, I want a little soy sauce for my rice. That's right. Grab a little spoon for it. A little bit of soy sauce. It'd also be quite good with teriyaki, probably. Have this chicken with a little bit of teriyaki. I bet that would be pretty good. Just a light amount of soy sauce, not much. Okay. So let's try a little bit of everything. I'm just gonna mix my rice together a little better. That may have still been too much soy sauce. Whoops. Alright. Try the edamame. Okay, I did get it all the way through. Yummy. I mean, edamame's good. I might have gone a little long on it. Tastes really good. Don't eat the skins, remember. So take it. Slide out the edamame. And the salt on top will slide out as well. One more. I used to eat like 9-ounce bags of those, and that was a lot. They're good. Chicken's good. You can tell it's Japanese. Like I said, a little bit too much ginger for my taste and mirin. So I'll tone that down next time. It is supposed to be sake instead of mirin. Truthfully, I don't even think it was mirin that I was supposed to use. I think Zach told me to try something else. I think it was something else. I don't remember what. But the mirin worked fine. Rice with soy sauce. Tastes like soy sauce. Will taste like rice with soy sauce. Now, I did get a little taste of this. So I got rice. A little bit of rice with a piece of chicken on it. That's pretty good. It actually kind of helps balance out the flavors when you do that. Actually, that's really good. So, alright, so I will definitely make this again, but there's a couple things I will change. So I'll give this like a 6 out of 10. Especially since you need more prep time. My bad. But, yeah, so guys, thank you all for coming in and hanging out. I'll see if there's someone to raid real